This was great during the build, but you know, it's like putting honey back into a bee. It's kind of getting old. But not to fear, we're gonna build a display. I don't know if this is going to work at all, but I can get an idea of the height I need to accommodate. So these vertical sticks, along with that little Lazy Susan I put underneath the diorama, are going to help me decide the dimensions I need for the display case. That's it for day one. I just wanted to get some dimensions, kind of figure out our basic layout, and of course consult with Oscar just to make sure I'm doing it right. When I build my dioramas, I build them in pieces. And that allows me to take them apart, work on one section while another section's drying or curing or something, and then I can go back to it when I need. Just like my larger components, these smaller components come out and it allows me to work on them, maybe make a change. In this instance, I need to run some electrical in this base, and this is going to keep these guys from getting damaged. I built TARAWA round because I decided I was going to have little scenes all the way around it. And I just envisioned it on a little Lazy Susan, and you would spin it around. Now that it's going to go in a display, which is, I mean, I always had that in the back of my mind too, I wanted to display. I need to find some drive mechanism to turn that without like having to reach in or something, or have a motor. I really didn't want to have a motor in there. What I found is a right angle drive from Dewalt, and what it does is it goes in the end of your drill if you're drilling into a tight spot or something like that, and then it gives you this 90-degree corner angle. But that's exactly what I need for, you know, the drive mechanism of this. So this board that I'm marking on is going to be now the floor of the display, and then that drive is going to be mounted to the bottom of this, and then it'll come up, and then I need to modify this hex shaft, and then that's going to be our hand crank rotation. This is a small bracket from just a bunch of old brackets I've got, and I'm going to flatten this out and then put a hex-shaped hole in the center. Now that it's flat, I'm just going to anneal it, as that's going to really help for the next couple of steps.